4 years ago, I started AH Marine. We specialize in fiberglass, paint, gel repairs, full refits. We have electronics division. My ideal customer is somebody who wants perfection, who expects it. One thing about being in Stewart, it was a small town when I was growing up, so I like to make sure that whatever I put out there, if my name's on it, I don't want it coming back to me. I don't want to see your boat again because I want it to be done right the first time. We have transporters that can bring the boats to us if you're from out of state or from the Keys or wherever you're from. We'll get your boat here. Don't let your problems become bigger problems. You can always call. I give everybody advice. Even if you're trying to look for something that we don't do, I will hook you up with somebody who I trust, and you can find me on Boaters List.